Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to refresh your screen on Windows 11 if your desktop icons are not updating, files are missing. So let's get started. So firstly, right click on the desktop. Here you will see the refresh. Click on it. It will refresh. The second method is press the keyboard button F5 to refresh the desktop. Here you will see. And now if you want to refresh file explorer, if files or folders are not updating inside file explorer, firstly open file explorer. Now press F5 or click the refresh icon near the address bar. So firstly you will see this icon. This reloads the folder contents instantly, and that's it. Now you know how to refresh your screen on Windows 11 using simple methods like right click and refresh the F5 shortcut. So if this video helped you, make sure the don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.